Hi, I'm Michael from OrthoPro. What happens after we take a digital scan?
We begin so that we can make a check socket, something that we can see through, make sure the fit and function's perfect. The patient rolls on a liner, has a pin on it. That pin engages the shuttle lock, and that's how it holds it on. But we want to be able to see through the socket and make sure the fit and function is perfect for that patient. And how do we get to this point, you say? Well, we start with a foam blank. That goes in our carver after we've adjusted the computer file from the scan to make sure we have what we want. The carver produces a positive model, and that positive model goes over to our vacuum system. Our vacuum system takes the plastic that we choose and forms the check socket. Now, it could be a plastic that is a little bit more durable than what you see here. But we like this plastic so we can see through it and make sure if there's any adjustments that need to be done, that we can do that before we get to the finished phase or the definitive socket. Once we have that check socket, we can digitize the check socket and send it through the computer again, because we want to have something that the patient can wear while we're making the finished prosthesis. And if there's been changes, and if there's undercuts or other things that make it impossible for us to pull a plaster model out of the check socket, then we have the means to be able to create that definitive socket without destroying our check socket. Then we get to that point, we have fit and function and a beautiful prosthesis that's going to last a long time. These are the types of things that we do at OrthoPro every day, making these awesome prostheses. So if you're interested, give us a call or check out our website.